Hello kids, today we will write and learn numbers. So let's start with colors. Blue color, green color, red color, pink color. Let's start writing the numbers. Blue color, number 1. Blue color, number 1. Blue color, number 1. Red color, number 2. Red color, number 2. Red color, number 2. Green color, number 3. Green color, number 3. Green color, number 3. Pink color, number 4. Pink color, number 4. Pink color, number 4. Blue color, number 5. Blue color, number 5. Blue color, number 5. Blue color, number 5. Pink color, number 6. Pink color, number 6. Pink color, number 6. Pink color, number 6. Green color, number 7. Green color, number 7. Green color, number 7. Red color, number 8. Red color, number 8. Red color, number 8. Blue color, number 9. Blue color, number 9. Blue color, number 9. Pink color, number 10. 1 0 10. Pink color, number 10. 1 0 10. Pink color, number 10. Let's repeat the numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Let's repeat again. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 0 10. Number 10.